LG Smart Inverter technology. We believe it acts like the human brain. The inverter reads the environment around you and operates based on its senses. LG Smart Inverter technology changes the world around us to be smarter. Traditional constant-speed compressors can only alternate between a fixed speed and a full stop. However, LG Smart Inverter compressor intelligently adjusts output according to its surroundings because it can run in variable speed. External conditions can even change every minute. So the smart compressor runs fast during the hottest time of day and slows down when the temperature drops. In this way, it finds the optimal running conditions to save the most energy. Furthermore, LG Smart Inverter can not only sense temperature but also pressure, making precise and quick cooling possible. Thanks to this smart sensors, the Smart Inverter starts changing the compressor's speed to reach target temperature quickly, but constant speed compressors cannot make any changes. So you can enjoy quick cooling with the Smart Inverter, whereas constant speed compressors reach the same temperature slowly and cannot maintain a consistent temperature due to its start and stop design. Smart Inverter ensures that room temperature remains at the set temperature. If the temperature outside gets extremely hot, the LG Smart Inverter is capable of maximizing an air conditioner's performance above its rated in order to cool effectively. There's more. Unlike constant speed compressor air conditioners that produce loud noises as it turns on and off, Smart Inverter keeps the noise level lower at all times through its steady operation. Look at this difference in volume. LG Smart Inverter technology's reliability is without equal. The variable speed drive allows for smooth operation even in severe weather. And in places where voltage is unstable, the Smart Inverter compressor operates in voltage protection mode for increased durability. In addition, this technology can be applied to many different indoor unit models, so you can have the best cooling wherever you are. Because of its compact size, LG's ceiling-mounted cassette can save you space, and it can cool in all directions. This worldwide design award winner has a powerful airflow that can reach far distances. The powerful airflow can deliver fresh air to the furthest corners. The minimized height saves space when installing and allows for unit flexibly to various places with the desired airflow through the external static pressure control. Last but not least, you can control your air conditioners individually or by group to suit your environment. With LG Smart Inverter technology, you can enjoy ideal comfort through precise control anytime and anywhere.